So, this is our power supply range here. You see in the top is more the system integrator product. The upgrade product is the Earthwatch series. Then we have the True Power New series. Both of them are in the market already quite some time now. And new for us at Antec, we introduced our last Computex, is the High Current Gamer and the High Current Pro series. The High Current Gamer is the mainstream product. You have 80 plus bronze, the price is very competitive, you have nice looks, and it's perfect for gamers, and that's what all this product is about. And the High Current Pro down here is 80 plus gold certified, and you have everything what you need for a really high-end system, really if you are heavily overclocking, if you are running several graphics cards and these kind of things, the High Current Pro is the right thing for you. Two new things here. One new thing here is the VP450. It's our new entry-level power supply. It will be very price competitive. This one, the 450 for example, will be around 40 euros. So it will be very price competitive. A little bit older is the True Power Quattro here, the 1200 watt. This is very popular amongst overclocker right now, and that's why we developed the High Current Pro 1200. It was in the direction of the TPQ here to have the best what you can get for overclockers today. So moving over here, we have a lot of notebook coolers actually. You see from different sizes, different applications. You have, for example, this one here, the designer cooler. You have a radial fan in the back, so you can put this cooler actually on your lap when you are sitting on the couch or when you're sitting in the bed, having a cover over you. You don't block the fan and the airflow. So what that one is made for. This one, everyone from us is using in the office actually. You just put it behind the notebook and it's blowing air with the radial fans blowing under the notebook to keep it cool. Very nice. For gaming notebooks, a little bit bigger ones, then a few older models up there, very simple, basic coolers. Another nice thing is, you can see behind there is the notebook adapters. We have 90 watts slim adapter. They're really slim and you really want to keep them for traveling, for example. You can just slide it into your pocket. It's just 200 grams and it's very slim. It's like 1.7 centimeters only thick. And yeah, that's about it for our notebook accessory. We have here our mini ITX cases. Very new is the ISK 100. We introduced it last year, Computex. It is proven to be very successful with for these kind of applications. Mini ITX, you know, you have like the fusion processors now, so everything is getting smaller and the wattage is less, so you don't have too much heat anymore, and so these cases are perfect for these applications. So let's go over to the cases. Yes, here are our cases. Of course, we have a lot more cases, but these are the new ones and the ones we want to show. They're attractive, and for example, both on the bottom here. Let's go over to this one. You have the 100. It's our latest case. It's very price competitive. This 100 case is around 60 euros, I would say. It has a black interior, a CPU cut out behind the motherboard. You have enough space behind the motherboard for cable routing. You have everywhere holes in the motherboard tray that you can route the cables behind. It is very price competitive and very feature rich. And I think this will be definitely very nice selling case in 2011. Another new model is the Sonata 4. It was from ground up new developed in addition to our older Sonata models. You have a very nice airflow inside. It's made for really silent operation. Then you have seen already the Landboy Air before in the top right corner. Landboy Air we introduced last year, and it created a lot of controversy in the market, and we just wanted to show that there are also other ways to make cases today. and make them special looking. So we made this case only to provoke, to show people what is possible, and to have them create the perfect airflow. So you can change everything in this case. You have like 35,000 ways of changing that case and changing just about everything inside. So it's very interesting when you are an enthusiast and you want to change things. You want to have a look. What is the right way to put the hardware inside to have the best cooling? Then you can just do whatever you want to do with it. And it is open frame. You have mesh everywhere, open frame. It's really nice airflow, and reviews have shown that the cooling performance is just amazing with that case.
I heard you gain a prize for that.
It's the IF Design Award because, I mean, it is with this kind of case you have people saying either it's not very beautiful or they really love it. So we saw both kinds of people. When you go to forums, most people see only the picture. They say it's really ugly, because when you just see a picture, you just see it in 2 dimensions. You just don't get the feel for it, for the real design. And when you have people like you coming here and you can touch it, you can feel, you can just have a look, and you see really, actually it's really beautiful like this. I mean, it's not something maybe you want to put in your living room or something when you have a nice leather couch or something. You might not want to have this kind of case there, but there are people who really like it. So I would really suggest you go out in the shops, you try to find it, and you just have a look yourself, and you can maybe play around a little bit. You have so many options with it. So yeah, that's why we won this design award.
Congrats.
Thanks. Okay, moving over here, we have the Dark Fleet. We have Dark Fleet 85, the new revision. I come 1 second to the new revision, and the DF10 over here, which is a very price competitive case. Let's start with this one here. This one is the new revision, I said. It's because we have in the top the Seagate Go Flex. This is a new kind of hard drive. You have this connector over here. It goes to USB port, or you can just remove it, and then there is the SATA port, and you can just connect it right away like this. It's we are the first manufacturer who has a direct front access for the Seagate Go Flex here. We're working very close with Seagate on that, and we have very good feedback for that, because it's a very nice hard drive standard what they created, and I think it's going pretty well. In addition to that, yeah, you have a whole lot of features with that product here. Let me have a look. Yes, it's open. You have, for example, the really quick exchangeable filters here in the front. You can just exchange it, go over water and or your Hoover, and just clean it, and then you just put it back, and everything is okay. Then the fans, you can individually, with the red knobs here, you can change the fan speed. Which is very nice, because you can either have a very silent operation with the case, or if you are a gamer and that the case is getting really hot after 10 hours of gaming, you really want to turn the knobs up to have really fast airflow going through and really good cooling results. Yes, that will be around the DF Dark Fleet series.
It has some water cooling features.
Yes, we have the rubber grommets in the back. You can put the hoses through, and it would definitely be possible. Yes.
Okay.
And over here, the DF10. It's we just made the looking similar to the Dark Fleet series, but since this one is all plastic, it's one part plastic, we could lower the price a little bit, and that's why this one is a little cheaper offering for people who don't necessarily need all these features we have in these cases here. So yeah, that's about the DF10. We have just a little bit less inside, and the price is much less, of course, too, through that. One other very nice thing is the LAN board. This is made for people going to LAN parties, want to carry their cases. You can just put it on the LAN board, put the straps around, and you can just pull it behind you, push it in front of you, or you can just carry it. So it's a very nice system for people going to LAN parties, and we had already very good feedback with that case. So yeah, thank you very much for coming here, and hope you enjoyed the little tour.